Keeping track of stakeholder feedback in one place can be a game changer for any project. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to streamline this process efficiently, saving time and preventing any key insights from slipping through the cracks. Stick with me until the end because I've got a special bonus for you, an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using that can make this process a breeze. First off, why is it important to keep track of stakeholder feedback in one place? Simply put, it helps maintain clarity, ensures nothing gets lost, and makes communication more efficient. It's essential to have all feedback in one central location, so team members and decision makers don't waste time hunting through emails, messages, and notes. Now, let's dive into the steps. The first thing you need to do is centralize your feedback. If you're still relying on spreadsheets or email threads, it's time to upgrade. There are specific software tools that allow you to collect, track, and organize feedback from all stakeholders in one place. I've tried a bunch of popular software options, and the one I recommend works best by consolidating feedback seamlessly, keeping things clear and actionable. Once you've chosen the right software, you want to create distinct categories or labels for different types of feedback, whether it's technical issues, design feedback, or suggestions for improvement. This helps ensure everyone can quickly find the exact piece of feedback they need, without sifting through a mountain of data. Another crucial step is to create a workflow that assigns responsibility for each piece of feedback. By having an action plan for each item, you'll ensure that feedback doesn't just sit there. You can easily assign it to the right person and set deadlines for follow-ups or resolutions. You'll also want to track the status of each piece of feedback. Does it need further clarification? Is it being implemented? Keeping a log of this information helps ensure there's no back and forth confusion and that everything gets addressed. Don't forget about integrating your feedback tool with other platforms you use. Whether you're using project management tools or communication apps, having everything synced together saves you time and minimizes human error. And here's a pro tip. Regularly review and update your feedback log. This will help you identify recurring issues or suggestions that could influence bigger changes down the line. It also ensures stakeholders feel heard, which strengthens relationships and boosts trust. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to keep track of stakeholder feedback in one place. Just to recap, centralize your feedback, categorize it, assign responsibility, track progress, and integrate your tool with other systems. Oh, and don't forget to review and update it regularly. This will ensure you're always in control, and that no important feedback slips through the cracks. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you to check out the exclusive free trial of the software we use today in the description below. This trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out on this opportunity to make your project management even easier. Key takeaway. To keep track of stakeholder feedback in one place, you need to centralize, categorize, assign, track, and integrate. Do that and you'll never lose valuable feedback again.